This is Cameron Chai from ASOM on behalf of VCAMM, coming to you from the Carbon Fibre Future Direction Conference in Geelong, Australia. The conference has been organised by VCAMM and Deakin University and sponsored by VCAMM and Deakin University in conjunction with the Victorian Government. Today I'm speaking to Professor Lee Astheimer, who's the Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Research at Deakin University. I'd like to welcome her to the program today.
Thanks, Cameron.
So Lee, you guys have got a department there called ACFRF, the Australian Future Fibre Research Innovation Centre. Could you tell us about that, please?
Yeah, the Australian Future Fibre Research Innovation Centre was an initiative that was funded through an EIF bid, the Education Investment Fund that the federal government runs for bolstering federal or university research facilities around the country. We received funding through that to support a number of collaborations. One is with CSIRO. CSIRO has a fibre research facility near Geelong, and they're going to relocate so that they'll be co-located with Deakin University and our researchers working on fibre. Fibre in this case includes nanofibers and other nanomaterials, green and smart functional fibers, as well as carbon fibers. So part of the ACFRF bid was to build a carbon fiber research facility on the Deakin campus at Warren Ponds, and this is there's only a few of these in the whole world. It will raise consciousness and our research capability in carbon fiber, as well as hopefully enticing some commercial investment in carbon fiber in Australia, hopefully Victoria.
Okay, and you had involvement with VCAMM to put together that bid?
VCAMM was absolutely incredibly instrumental in this bid. The CEO of VCAMM, Brad Dunstan, had been researching and considering the importance of the manufacturing opportunities that carbon fiber would bring to Australia for the last few years. He's teamed up with researchers at Deakin and at CSIRO to really make this a reality.
Okay, and what other things does Deakin bring to the table as far as for carbon fibre researchers, apart from...
Over the last 10 years, Deakin has developed the Centre for Materials and Fibre Innovation, CMFI, which is now part of a larger institute called the Institute for Technology and Research Innovation. This currently houses about 300 researchers, and they're doing research across materials, light metals, steel, composites, and other fibrous materials, and carbon fiber will be the newest addition to this range of research. We have accumulated a large array of high-end electron microscopy and other characterization facilities that will aid in research in materials generally, but carbon fiber specifically.
So if anybody out there in industry has got research problems or they're looking to develop things, they can obviously come and talk to you guys?
Well, we certainly encourage that, and we currently are, Deakin is currently part of a number of cooperative research centers that encourage that sort of industry interaction.
Okay, and what do you see as the future for carbon fibre research at Deakin and indeed for Australia?
Oh, I think that it's a completely open-ended area. Most carbon fiber research is done in-house by commercial researchers, and it's a very closed field. The idea that we'd be an open access research facility for carbon fiber really has great possibilities for all kinds of areas. You've spoken to Bronwyn Fox about some of her research activities in combining carbon fiber with composites, in molding, identifying new processes for molding carbon fiber, for post-production of carbon fiber into new manufacturing processes. So I think that in terms of the usefulness of carbon fiber in the manufacturing industry, the opportunities are really endless. I guess what would be really significant in Australia is for the Australian manufacturing community to embrace carbon fiber as a new material and begin to develop commercial opportunities to use carbon fiber.
And do you think Australia will take to these new materials and opportunities?
Oh, well, just at this conference there's been an enormous amount of interest from the manufacturing community, from the research community, and particularly from the international carbon fiber commercial production community. So we're very enthusiastic about the possibilities for the future.
Fantastic. All right, Lee, thanks very much for your time and telling us about the capabilities you have over there at Deakin, and we wish you all the best with them.
Sure, Cameron, thanks.